Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on e.l.f. Cosmetics Modern Metals collection. This is a brand new collection and it was in collaboration with 5 influencers, and I really appreciate that. I want to do everything I can to support people that are going after their dreams, especially my girl Yuri. I am so happy for her. I'm so happy for all the ladies that collaborated, obviously, but I just love her. My girl Yuri is such hardworking. She is a mommy like me. She is beautiful. She's talented. So I really wanted to make my comeback here on YouTube with this collection. And of course, who doesn't like drugstore makeup? Everything about this collection is different. The packaging is different. The way that they collaborated and came up with it was different. They were in New Orleans, so there's a lot of inspiration from there. The colors, the metals, everything. It's beautiful and it's different from everything that e.l.f. did before. So congratulations, ladies. You guys did a phenomenal job. The collection is absolutely beautiful. I am not gonna ramble anymore. I have missed you guys so much, and that's why I'm so chatty and so giddy, because I just really miss you guys. And I'm so happy to be back filming again. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And now if you wanna see some drugstore glam, then just keep watching. Alright, so I already have my face on. I prime my eyelids and I'm going to go ahead and start this eye look. I'm going to start by going in with this really pretty mustard yellow shade, and I'm going to apply that with a fluffy brush all over my crease. Now I'm going to take this coral-ish shade right here and I'm going to intensify my crease. This is a perfect warm tone combo of shadows. I love how these two shadows look together. Now I'm going to go with this greenish shimmer shade. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush with some setting spray. I'm going to take a little bit of the second eyeshadow we used just to get rid of the harsh lines and run that again on my crease. Alright, so I'm going to stick with a very simple look. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply a really generous coat of mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And a little trick that I like to do, I like to apply a brown liner and tight line the upper lash line, just to make my lashes appear a little fuller. Of course, you can add some lashes if you like. I'm trying to keep everything a little more simple, so I'm going to go ahead and skip them. So then I'm going to go ahead and do some concealing. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in Pound Cake. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did on my crease. I'm going to put the mustardy shadow first on my lower lash line, and I'm going to intensify and deepen up with the other shadow. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a brightening liner on my waterline, and then I'm going to coat my lower lashes with some mascara as well. Now I'm going to take the super bright eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. So that's it for the eyes. I wanted to keep everything very simple, very achievable. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the face palette and I'm going to warm up my complexion. First, I'm going to go ahead with the darkest shade right here and just put that on my cheekbones. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the peachy shade and I'm going to apply that on the highest points of my face. What I like about this highlighter is that you can make it really intense if you like. You just keep layering it and it still looks really nice on the skin. I love the shade, and so you can make it as intense or as subtle as you like. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So since the collection comes with 2 different lippies, I'm going to go ahead and swatch both of them. So this is the gloss. It smells like a cupcake. I just want to eat it. I love how it shines really nicely. It's very comfortable on the lips. It's not sticky. It's very nice. So far, really like it. I love the shade. It's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect for the fall. It's so flattering. I really like the applicator. It's a really different kind of shape and it's very easy to apply. So far, I like the formula. It's very matte and it dries down to nothing. It's not sticky or creamy or nothing. I'll have to see how it wears, but so far, I really love everything about this lipstick. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item from the collection, and if you're grabbing anything from the collection, I want to say a huge congratulations to all of the ladies that collaborated with e.l.f. in this collection. You guys did a phenomenal job. I am so happy for all of you, and a special congratulations to my girl Yuri. I just love her so much. She's such a hardworking mama. She is talented and she's so beautiful. So make sure to visit her channel, watch her videos, visit her Instagram, let her know that I sent you here from my family to hers, because she really is a person that I look up to. She's really hardworking, and I just love her so much. Follow her, you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link and list everything down below for you in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And thank you for sticking with me while I got back on my feet. I really miss you guys here, and I miss talking to you. I miss filming, so it feels really good to be back. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.